Today on this episode of Return of the Funky Phantom, we're going to dry fit the transmission, and I'm sure there's going to be some modifications that need to be made. We took the 727 small block transmission, if you will, out, and we're going to put in an A500 Overdrive transmission, which is longer and a little bit bigger. So we're going to attempt to throw it up there, dry fit it, and see where the case needs to be modified, and then hopefully install it for good. Stay tuned. Want me to put that strap on it, pull it out your way?
No, I need it. I gotta let it go. Yeah, I need it down. I'm sorry. I got the fingers. I need it this way. Yeah. You can strap it this way if you want.
All right. I kicked the damn light out too.
You kicked it up?
Yeah, see the light went off?
Yeah. What does it mean?
Nah, plug in the back.
Cool. Yeah, see this. You gonna hold it?
Mm-hmm.
Watch out, turn away, watch your eyes, bro. You got no goggles on.
Let me see what gauge it is. Yeah.
Pretty thick.
Yeah, she is. See what I was saying, bro? No, I might could bastardize this stuff. I probably could slice some of this down.
Let me see. If you take,
Let
me see.
Slice just enough to cap it?
If you got your wheel,
I do.
cut this inner piece out
Okay.
and just grind it up. You know, then we can play with it later.
Mm-hmm. We can even cut it flat. Too bad he don't got a vice. I cut it flat with it, just lay in there. You know what I mean? I'll make a cap out of this shit. I'll cut the ears completely off it. And just make it flat. You know what I mean?
Yeah, leave a little piece of ear on it. So, you know, that way if you cut it like around here, just leave a little edge. Then we can spread it.
And we can play with it.
Alright, good.
Now, where you need the pipe removal, you need to pull up. So pull the pipe up.
Yeah. This one, you don't gotta pull that one. That one's fine. Okay. Let me look at it, brother. Let's see what we got. looking over here. Let's see. Cut it down this way.
Yeah, push it.
Let me get inside here like this.
Move my hand if you want.
Okay, we got. I need to cut it here. I gotta take that one up higher, so. Ooh-wee. Give me a second.
The wheel too.
I'm just gonna pry it out of the way for now. But I can get.
I just put a green screwdriver. I just laid it.
Just move it out the way. I can get the blade in there. I don't keep snatching like that.
There she go. Reinforcement sleeve. Now I wonder if it's worth trying to get it back up there to see if any more of this is in the way.
No, we can take that up.
That's what I said. Put the
Yeah.
training back there.
Yeah, let me sweep up a little bit.
Yep. I got the sweeping.
Cool. Let's go ahead now. Get back and figure out the cost.
I gotta get the stick. I don't know what to say.
Jack, you
The
stick?
stick. Put it on. It's back on. No, you're good. I'll go with it, bro. Give it a. I'm on this side.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm good.
You can actually stand over there and give you some more headroom. Stand right here.
I'm good. Because I gotta bend down here. Ain't no time sitting. You better watch your paint dry. Get one bucket. That's it. There we go. Okay.
don't matter at this moment.
What you want for free? Oh, you cut it already.
Yeah. They tell me what's the name of your reinforcement for that particular. It was in this project.
Really?
Gotta go to their website.
You got too much tilt on this motherfucker here, bro.
Huh?
Too much tilt on it.
No, go ahead. Let's get up your hold it. All right.
You all right, man? What's wrong? What's wrong with him?
Sure.
You know, y'all said,
Kurt's like, phew! Ricochet rabbit.
edit that out. Edit it out, bitches.
It most likely will be. Jacket, what? Come on. A little more. A little bit more. Well, did you drill out the screw holes?
On
Huh?
the tranny?
Yeah.
No.
The pilot hole.
No.
You ain't drill the pilot hole that way?
You're too high, bro.
So weaken your eye burn.
Hello. Way too high, bro. Way too high. You missed the fucking hole, bro. Fucking shit, man.
Man, let the thing down. What were you doing?
You know what? You're not that off from the
Nah,
dial on
no,
this
no,
side.
no,
It's
high.
got a twist too.
Yeah,
I'm
but
high.
you know what?
It's twisted. You gotta twist this way. Who the fuck put that shit out there like that? Let me twist that. Yeah, you
I went the wrong way, right?
You extended already. Was that?
Yeah, I'm extended. It's even like that. Come on down somewhere.
Just a little bit. Just a little bit.
A little bit, yeah. I like it. Because you gotta rotate it.
Come on, brother.
Yeah, I just want to.
Yeah, catch a boat with this one first, and then what's the name? Catch a boat with
A
this
little
one.
bit more.
Come on, man. Come on, baby.
Stop racking it like that, because that shit gonna drop.
Oh,
That's what I told you. Don't do that.
No. You gotta catch one of these sides.
The dials.
okay. This one I can get there.
You know what? Want me to push it forward?
No, let me get that one because that one doesn't have to come down. Then you go back up with this one.
Okay.
I'll
I'll hold it, Burns, if you need to get.
I'll hold it like that. Come down a little bit. Can't see.
A little bit more.
Did you get the water filter with?
No, man. Come on down, brother.
It's gonna be a little tricky to get.
Oh, baby, it's on. Hold on. We get a boat.
But you want to know something, Kurt?
It's on.
The converter ain't in, so it's got to come back out anyway. We're just trying to see if we cut enough.
Gotcha.
That's not the final. Oh, and I bought the brake line. Wow, you told me to get a brake line to take this out. Right, this is the one?
Yes.
That's tight too. But I got my pipe there.
Yeah.
So Kurt, when I bring it down, where am I bringing it to? So that cylinder can go on the other end of it. Cause I bought these.
Some of us will have to run right this on the side.
But that brake line is gonna need 2 ends. Who that, Rick? Yeah. Come on, bro. Good Teresa. What's happening, man? Happy pre-birthday. Yeah, thanks. Share my sister, though. Whatever. What's good? What's happening, man? What? Something what? I'm older than 59 years old, boy.
You said happy birthday, man?
Yeah, 59 years old.
I thought
It
it
was good,
was
yeah.
the anniversary time.
Yeah, huh? I told this girl yesterday, just now, she better send me a birthday picture of her. I heard her birthday. She said she might, so I don't know, man.
Be careful.
I saw phone calls and shit.
Be careful.
Everybody, this is my twin sister Teresa.
Hey, twin sister Teresa.
She don't look like me at all.
Hello, fellow. Aquarius.
Yeah.
Yes, tomorrow.
Which
This
one?
is James.
James, how you doing, brother?
I wanted to go to the beach.
That's this little thing on the bottom.
I don't know the one that you put, you, they had a picture that I.
That was, I don't get what she got on.
Nah.
Because I'm on vacation till
Lottery
next week.
tickets and shit, okay.
You know, Who's all the trophies?
This is his house.
But that, and this is
So I would have to do something like this and put it away. It's just make it consistent.
So the trophies for winning prizes on the car?
That'd be nice if I could get a 90 instead of coming this way and coming from the side.
original shit from back in the seventies, so all this.
That's the thing. Yeah, we're not ready for it yet.
And what was that?
Milton,
Yes.
these come from winning trophies
That's,
for cars?
yep, this is his.
With the car?
Yep.
Damn.
That's the man, Curtis, Bill Curtis.
Painted this thing black?
Nah,
That wasn't black.
nah, you got the other guy.
Yeah, we stopped by yesterday. You
Yo.
stopped by the house?
When we drove
That,
by
that
the
stop sign right by your house? But I was waiting to call you. I dialed your number and I stopped. I fell asleep. I was up like 5 minutes. I said, Richard, I'm going home.
Oh, shit.
Cause my truck cuts off when you stop at the light.
Yes.
So it was like,
So what
Richard never
happened?
answered. I just felt, I'm tired, man. That's why I said, Richard, I'm going home. I was at that stop sign sleeping. I said, I'm going home.
He said,
Wow.
last night we went upstairs, he said, you know, Milton said he was at a stop sign. I said, what he was doing, coming home?
No, yeah, I was waiting for
I didn't know it was over there by the house.
It's gonna
Yeah,
have to
well,
make
that's
a,
not
I might
right.
have to make a little
You
ding.
wanna take us out to see the bus?
Still in
Yeah, you could do that.
No, you just smash it.
Well, they into the car, so I know what you doing. Alright, come on. Let me show you Milton's apartment.
Nope, they gotta come out. They gotta come out. Smash it ain't gonna cut it. Yes, come on.
What happened?
Got a notch higher.
See what it is,
That's
too?
what I was thinking.
If this was 727, it would be further. Since this is 4 version, it stops here.